Howdy y'all, this here's Dr. Astronomy, and this is going to be episode 43 of Homeless Astronomy. Now I know that tonight the Pleiades and the Moon are in conjunction, but this will not contain that, because I would have to sit around for hours and hours and hours waiting for the Moon and the Pleiades to come up. So this is going to be a regular Homeless Astronomy episode, and then I'll pop in with another short one later that has just the Pleiades. So, as soon as the sun gets down, we'll get started. Okay, let's start off right over my shoulder here with Venus at 270 degrees. Start off in the infrared. Alright, now it's kind of pointless to do this one in infrared, but just because I'm a creature of habit. Venus in the infrared, 270 degrees. Alright, let's get started off here with the planet Venus. I was gonna skip this, but because my phone wasn't charged yet, but nah, I can't miss something like this. So there we go, directly in the west, the planet Venus. For y'all that are just jumping on board with Homeless Astronomy, this is what Dr. Astronomy's observation post looks like on any given night. Only difference is when I'm out in the field, I usually set up on a park bench or a picnic table or something like that. And there is our telescope. Now there's plenty of stars out. We could have already shot this whole episode and be done. But I like to put at least 30 minutes, 45 minutes in between each star. So if you're actually using this to go outside and try and find these objects, you've got time to look for them. And it's not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're gone before you can look at them. Try and space it out. Okay, now we're going to get a 2 for 1. 85 degrees, Al-Kharab and Psalm, starting out in the infrared. And there we have, oh hold on, I got my light on. Oh, that didn't affect it at all. Well, there we have Al-Kharab and Psalm at 85 degrees in the infrared. Alright, now here at 85 degrees, we have the stars Al-Kharab and Psalm, and that's through the telescope. Okay, let's move to 94 degrees and track the planet Saturn, infrared. And at 94 degrees, we have Saturn in the infrared. Alrighty, and at 94 degrees, we are tracking the planet Saturn. My wife tracking the trash. And let's wrap this up with a shot of Polaris in the infrared. Just the infrared, because we do Polaris every night. And at 0 degrees, friends and neighbors, we have the North Star, Polaris, in infrared. Remember, if you're ever drunk and naked in the woods, don't know how you got there, you can find that star Polaris and find your way back home. And that's going to do it for episode 43. Thanks for watching, friends and neighbors. I hope you learned something. I did. I always do. And just remember, if you're lost and drunk in the woods, find Polar.